What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is officially freezing in London. I don't know about where you're at, but the gym is getting less and less crowded because nobody's willing to leave their warm and cozy house. So that's why today I'm going to share with you a quick home workout that you can do. It's no time to slack. All you need is a table, a chair, bottle of water, and a towel. I'm going to demonstrate each exercise for you guys. Every exercise you do for 3 sets, and I want you to go to failure on the very last set. So grab some water, pop in some good tunes, and let's get to work. Enjoy that workout. If you do happen to try it, make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know how you did. If you want the full home workout routine, make sure to follow me on Instagram, pop me a message, all in. I'll send you this workout routine with many more free workouts that you can do pretty much anywhere. If you made it this far into the video, you know I appreciate you. Give this video a like, smash the thumbs up button, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I drop videos just like this every single week and you do not want to miss it. So go on ahead, hit subscribe and turn bell notification on to not miss out. With that said, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll speak to you all next week.
call 911 on my killer. You know I hate to go